A cool industrial looking aggressive eye. Orange, Nvidia green, grey and black dominate the color spectrum. 4 features they decided to market on the cover. RGB lights, the name of their fan tech, this card is not underclocked, 4 years warranty if you register online within 4 weeks. This part is irrelevant because every RTX 2070 Super has this. Box 1. Box 2. Folder with optical storage and documents. Foam and plastic wrapped graphics card. Nothing hidden below. Trash. Quick setup guide. Warranty registration reminder. The fans look cool. The ridges are supposed to enhance the airflow, but there's no way to verify this. We can just hope that Nokuta's fans kinda look like this is good enough in assurance. 3 fans should help keep it quiet. Protection against people who have live circuits lying around. Protection for the 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. Longer than the GTX 970 reference card. The gaming edition is 2.5 slots high. The WINDFORCE edition would only be 2 slots. I got this one for the thicker cooling. I use only 1 GPU, so I don't remove the NVLink cover. The card is big, so I need to clean up my SATA cable mess. Putting the card in, there is a satisfying click. But its fit doesn't feel satisfactory. Some more pushing for good measure. I am holding my right hand on the opposite side of a computer case for this. But finally I decided to screw it in and see if it works. It needs 6 plus 8 PCIe power supply connectors. In the end I was very happy with the result. I already made a video about the extended warranty. For my video comparing the 2070 Super to my old graphics card, check the description or comments for the link. Let me know if this video helped installing or if it influenced your purchase decision. Have fun building your workstation.